Hey guys, in today's video I'll be telling how to change author name by using WordPress. As you can see, this is my website and the author name is written free GPT-1. I want to change this name. Now I go to WordPress and here I'll go to this sidebar to bring your cursor to users, and then we need to click on profile. Once you click on profile, scroll down. So we have to change the nickname here and bring it to name we want to change. Enter it to write a name here and type chat. Once you change your nickname, you will also change the display name as publicly and change it. Okay, so I have changed the nickname and display name. Once you have changed the name, you need to scroll down and click on update profile and the author name will be changed. This is how you can change that author name by using WordPress. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.